guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like. And in today's video, sis, I am going to be doing passion twist Bohemian style. For the first time, I call them Bohemian because it just gives me like islandy vibes. It gives me like Jamaica. You know, I was about to do a Jamaican accent, but then I was like, pause. My accents are horrible, so I'm not gonna do that to myself. If you guys want to see how I did my hair like this, my edges are a little, I don't know what's going on with them. I tried to do something different. See, like this one's all curled up. Sis, stay down. So yeah, just go ahead, watch this video and laugh at my pain if you want, and just, you know, see how I do my Bohemian passion twist. So I've been trying to figure out what I wanted to do to my hair for the past 5 days, I want to say, because I tried to do faux locks and it didn't go so well. Okay, I think I'm doing it. And kind of unravel it and let it just, hold on. Hold on now. Oh, what's this? What's going on up here? I don't like that. Oh, that looks kind of real. We got one, bitch. Got one. I don't know. I don't know if I want it to be that short. OMG. I'm gonna be back. I'm about to go cry. Since I'm not doing faux locks anymore, I need to unbraid them. But if you are like doing passion twists, I would recommend to do it this way because I tried to do the rubber band method and that did not work. Like it works, but you know, the rubber band method, like sometimes it can pull in your hair and like it could cause extra breakage and all of that stuff. So I feel like doing it this way where you braid, you know, down a little bit, and I probably will leave it until right about here. So I've already like moisturized my hair. I moisturized my hair with my Dogrow. You guys, well, if you're new to my channel, then you don't know. But I love Dogrow Hair Oil because it really helps your hair grow. It stimulates growth and it's moisturizing and it's just, you know, it's good. So I greased my scalp up. You don't know what greased means? Are you even black? Like what? I washed my hair, I oiled my hair because this is like a protective style for like 2 or 3 weeks for me because I feel like this style can't last that long. So I'm gonna take some of this Murray's. I think it's just Murray's. I've never used this before and I don't like it. Oh fudge. I'm gonna use this to put on my hair so that it can kind of like, not stretch, but not be like curly how it is. And then I'm going to comb it out a little bit. All right, so I'm taking 2 of the Bohemian curls. Both have like a longer piece and a short piece. That's so that the twist can be longer and kind of look more natural. So I'm gonna take my crochet needle and I'm gonna put this through. Dang, this rain is really coming down diagonally. Every time I record, bruh, I swear, something always happens. Like, bruh, tit is blowing me. I'm gonna wrap the hair like so, and then put it like, I'm gonna pretty much slide it, the crochet needle with my finger, and then like hook. Oh, hold on.
Oh, you almost had it.
Slide the crochet needle on my finger and then hook the hair like that and then close it, slide it through. Now grab that like so, and then I'm gonna put the braid through as well as like one side of the twist, and then bring it through like so. I'm gonna tie this and make it tighter. Make sure she tight. Then I fluff. I'm gonna fluff both sides of the twist and then just twist. Twist, 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 twisty twist. So yeah, I'm just twisting it all the way to probably like right here. So I'm down to the end. So like I was leaving some of the twists like this, where it had like both strands coming out. But like usually what I do is twist it going around each other, kind of like this. And then that's it. And now we have a little chunky twist. Perfect. But overall, this hairstyle is really easy. Like this hairstyle is way easier than the faux locks. The faux locks were... Also, I forgot to mention, put some of the edge control, like a good edge control, one that you use for your actual edges that's really good, that holds. Because this Murray's Edge Wax Extreme Hold, girl, that does not hold anything. So I use a little bit of EBIN, EBIN, whatever you want to call it, their 24-hour edge tamer, and I have some in my hand, so I'm just going to put some on like the actual scalp. I mean scalp. That's my mood right now because I like my nails. I got my nails done. Hey, hey, I got my nails on. Hey, hey, I got my nails on. Hey. I changed my shirt again because I didn't like that other shirt, and this one kind of goes to my nails a little bit more. So what I'm doing right now, I'm finished putting the twist in my hair, but I'm just adding like little curly cues. You'll see. So it kind of makes it look like bohemian-esque, you know what I mean? So I pretty much, I'm not gonna add that many pieces because no. Just no. So I'm taking like a piece, I just cut it in half. I'm gonna see where I want this other one to be. So I'm just using the crochet needle, needling it through, and then open it up and put both sides through it. I actually want to tie it too, just to release the current. Gotta get her together. All right, that's good. That's good. All right, and now it is time to accessorize. So I have a couple accessories here. These are kind of cute. They're like corkscrews. They're gold. And then I have these as well. These are like little seashells. Then I just have like the standard little, like, they look like this. That right there. Ah, okay, so I'm just gonna wrap this around my twist. That was a lot, so I'm not gonna put the other one on. Let's just move right along. Now I really like the seashells. The seashells are really cute. So just open it up. Like you can open it up, pretty much just put it wherever you wanna put the seashell, and then just close it back up. Oh, this hair is too much. So yeah, just close it back up. Oh, and then with these, like the little the clip ones, so like you open it up far enough so that the twist or the braid can go through, and then just go like that and clip that baby on there. That's the end of this video. If you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. That helps me a lot. You know, it gets my video out there, it gets my channel out there, so we can be popping. Everything will be in the description box below. My Instagram is naturally.sunny. My YouTube is here. Boom, right there. Subscribe down below. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get out of here because I'm gonna go watch some more of Girlfriend's Guide to Divorce, and yeah, I'm gonna edit a video and just, you know, do what I gotta do, you know? So like, yeah, do what you gotta do, and I'll see you in the next video. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys, bye.